Well, hi there, my name is Leslie, and I'm going to be doing a bit of gardening today. Lately, when I've been doing yard work for too long, I get back and knee pains. I just got this garden kneeler from SONGMICS, and I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to put it to use. As you can see, the kneeler comes neatly packed with virtually no assembly required. All you really need to do is snap these into place and add these removable pouches, which will come in handy for all your gardening tools. I love how the pad is double-sided. The thinner side is for sitting down, while the thicker side is for kneeling. You just have to remove the pouches and adjust them to how you plan on using the kneeler. So whether you have tall pots or planters or flower beds down below, the garden kneeler is the perfect tool to keep you comfortable while you work. Once you're all done, you can easily fold it right up and put it away for the day. You just pull the handles on the sides and fold the legs under. And when I'm all done, it's super easy to store. It takes up very little space, and I know right where to find it when I need it again. This kneeler is so easy to use and makes gardening a much more enjoyable experience all around. I can't wait to tell my gardening friends about it.